Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to change mail. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change PSN email, first what you can do is use your phone or PC. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in Sony account login. Then once the search result loads, tap on the first link that is your Sony account, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on sign in option right here. Then once you're tapped on sign in, you'll be sent to the login page of the Sony. All you gotta do is sign in with your email address or your username, and then once that's done, tap on next, and then simply enter in your password and then log into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is go to security by simply tapping on the profile icon or the three horizontal icon, then select security inside accounts. Then simply click edit next to your sign-in ID of the email, and now here what you need to do is enter your new email address. Then once that's done, what you need to do is check your email box to verify the link. Then once you have done that, simply click on the link and that will basically confirm the new email address. The next method is you can use your PS5 as well by simply turning on your PS5 and logging in. Then go to the settings on the top right, select users and accounts and choose the account that you want, and inside account select security. Then inside security select sign-in ID or email address, and then enter in your email address and receive a verification email. Simply open it and confirm it. That's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.